friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making 2-ingredient fudge. This is a very simple recipe for homemade fudge and using just 2 ingredients, a bag of chocolate chips and a can of sweetened condensed milk. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix them together and melt it in a microwave. So I'm going to put a bag of chocolate chips into a bowl. So this bag is 12 ounces. And now I'm going to add a can of sweetened condensed milk. A can is 14 ounces. So now I'm going to put it in the microwave and microwave it for 30 seconds at a time and mixing every 30 seconds. So I'm going to put it for 30 seconds and once they're up, I'll mix it. So now after 30 seconds, I'm going to open the microwave and just mix everything. So see the chocolate is starting to melt, so you can actually see. And now I'm going to put it for another 30 seconds and mix it again. Now another 30 seconds is done, so let's mix it again. So basically, you can see all the chocolate chips have dissolved. So in my microwave, it just took a total of 1 minute, and I'm done with that. Now, if you still have solid chocolate chips, you can just put it back for an additional 30 seconds. So basically, you have to be microwaving it and mixing every 30 seconds until the chocolate chips are dissolved and mixed with sweetened condensed milk. So it's a one consistent mixture. So now once you mix it together, let's pour it into an 8x8 square baking dish lined with parchment paper. So with this paper, it will be easy to just lift the fudge out once it's set. So I'm just going to put it here. So now the fudge is here in my parchment paper lined baking dish, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator until it sets. So now once all the fudge is there, you can just take a flat tool and smooth the top. Just any flat spatula. And now I'm going to put the fudge in the refrigerator until it sets. So now our 2-ingredient homemade fudge has been in the fridge for 2 hours and it's totally solid. So now I'm going to slice this and try it. Look at this fudge, it looks so good. And this parchment paper, it's so easy to lift it out and separate it. So look at that. Perfect. So this side looks even better. If you want to put it on top, doesn't really matter, totally up to you. It's so smooth. And now just cut it with a knife. Perfect. Look at this fudge. Looks amazing. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love fudge. So I'm just gonna cut myself a small piece here. It's so delicious, so smooth, so chocolatey. It's really tastes as good as it looks. You will love it. This is so delicious. Tastes like the fudge from gourmet stores. And it was so easy to make. Who would believe it just has only 2 simple ingredients. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!